Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A10 and today I would like to show you how you can enable or disable app notifications on this device. First of all, access device settings and tap on notifications. Now you need to scroll down, select see all over here and select one of your apps. For example, Chrome. Now when I click on the switcher next to it, all notifications from Chrome are now disabled. If you want to enable them, click on the same switcher, but you can also tap on one of your apps and manage notifications by tapping on the switcher next to show notifications. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!